So much power! I managed to do the entire solar install all by myself, figured it out. We installed it where the washer and dryer combo used to be. Ta-da! So I have a diagram I followed that is pretty much exactly what my setup is here. I've got the Multiplus 2, my smart solar charge controller, my Lynx distributor, 200 amp hour batteries. This is the smart dongle for the Multiplus. There's a built-in smart thing in the charge controller, and there's also a smart shunt. So I can check the status of all three of those on my phone. Now for all of this equipment, I had to figure out how to mount it. All these wires, I had to decide the length and strip them and do everything for the wires. It doesn't look like it should be that heavy, does it? Don't drop it!
It's much heavier than a grandpa's axe.
There were also different programming issues I had. The terminal fuses that I had bought to go on the positive side of the batteries, I don't know if the fuses were bad or if the connection just wasn't good, but there was no power going to or from the batteries because of those things. So as soon as I took them off, power! That was a happy day. I found a bug in the program and now it's working. It was all these guys. It was these freaking guys that were preventing the power from getting to the batteries to the rest of the system. I figured it out by just poking around with these guys. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. I'm so excited. There were other difficulties I ran into, but it was amazing being part of the DIY solar system Facebook group. Thank you to all you smart solar system people. Now let's go up on the roof and I'll show you the beautiful, beautiful solar panels. This is where we ran the wires into the RV, and those run up the side with the rubber roof tape holding them on all the way up to the solar panels. You want to open up that box?
Yeah. I can do this. Yeah, I did it. So watch me wet. So watch me nay. So watch me wet. So watch me nay.
Wow, solar panels are so sexy. I left space between each solar panel, enough room for me to put my foot. If I need to access around the solar panels or work on the edge of the roof, I can still get between them. These are actually two different series connected in parallel. Here is where the positive is connected, and then over there is where the negative is connected. In the winter light, we were drawing a maximum of almost 600 watts, and it's 800 watts of solar panel. All the experienced RVers assure me that in summer sun you get significantly more. It's just the angle in the sky. So there they are, they're beautiful, and they work. Me so smart, me so smart, me so smart.